welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm back with another video. This is going to be a makeup video specially for upcoming Eid-ul Adha, and there is also going to be a review on the brush sets that I have recently bought, and that is the Jaclyn Hill Eye Master Collection and Complexion Master Collection. These are the brush sets that I got from a 50% sale going on in Morphe, and I'm going to try these brush sets today with you all and see how they perform, and will give you my honest opinion. Since these are frequently going on sale, you guys can also think about if you really need to buy the brushes or not. So I'm going to be creating this makeup look today using all the Jaclyn Hill brushes from these two sets, and will also be sharing my reviews regarding these brushes. So if you want to know how I created this look using these brushes, keep on watching. Alright, my makeup is almost done. I'm not wearing any false lashes today, but the only thing that's left is the lipstick. And after putting on the lipstick, I'll be right back. So the lipstick I applied today is Adoring from The Balm, and I forgot to apply some setting spray, which I'm going to really quickly apply now. Alright, so this is my entire completed look. I think it's pretty easy to recreate if you guys like it. So if you're wearing something maroonish or ruby color or reddish kind of dresses in your Eid, you can try this look. It's a very fresh, glowy kind of makeup look if you want to try this. And now let's get back to the review of the brushes and my thoughts. So real quick, I'm first going to talk about all the face brushes. The foundation brush, I'm not a big fan of applying foundation with brushes. I would prefer a beauty blender over this. This is a good brush. You can really quickly apply a lot of foundation on your neck and face, and then just like I did, and finish off with a beauty blender in the areas where the brush cannot reach. So it's an okay brush. I wouldn't say you have to spend your money to buy this brush if you have a beauty blender or a sponge. One thing I would say regarding this brush is that it takes up a lot of product. I used up more foundation than I would with a beauty blender because it soaked up most of my foundation. So yeah, that's my thought about the foundation brush. Next is the bronzing brush. This is an all over face bronzing brush. Today I didn't do any contour because the set doesn't come with a contour brush, but I used the bronzer brush to bronze my face all over. I did a very light bronze. I'm not a very big fan of too much dark bronzing. I also used the same brush to set my face with loose powder because this set didn't come with any powder brush. Next is the under eye powder setting brush. This is a great brush. This is my favorite from the set. This is the Jaclyn Hill JH07. You guys should buy it if you need an under eye setting brush. This is a perfect shape for most face types, so you guys definitely can check this out. So then comes the blush brush. I'm not a big fan of a tapered shaped brush. I like large domed shaped brushes, but again, this is an okay brush. One good thing is that it didn't pick up too much product, so I could build up as much as I needed. I had a control over my blush. So yeah, you guys can buy this brush as well. Finally, the highlighter brush. This is my most favorite from the set because it applied the highlighter so perfectly on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and wherever I wanted. I don't apply too much highlighter, but this one is a perfect highlighter brush. So you guys definitely should check this out. If you ask me to suggest any highlighter brush that you guys can buy, this would be it. You guys definitely can look into this brush. It's the JH09 highlighter brush. Now let's talk about the eye brushes. The first one is the JH30 Beast Mode blending brush. It's a large fluffy blending brush. It's a pretty good brush. I liked it. If you have really round big eyes like me, you guys will enjoy this because it helps to apply the transition shade really quickly and easily. So yeah, this is a good brush. You guys definitely can look into this. Then I have another transition blending brush. So if you're using like two transition shades, this one is another very good brush, another great blending brush. Do you need both? Well, if you want, you can buy them, or you can just use one blending brush. If you have a little smaller eyes, then maybe this one would be perfect for you guys. Then there is also this universal blending brush. I use this to apply the entire dark eyeshadow on my lids. It really packed the eyeshadow well, but it's a little bit of prickly. I don't know, it just pricked my eyelids a little bit, but that's not a huge deal, I would say. One thing I would like to mention about all the brushes is it's that they do shed. Especially this brush was shedding when I was applying my eyeshadow. Then there is JH39. This is the inner corner blending brush. I applied the highlighter on my inner corner, and also I used it as a pencil brush to apply the eyeshadow under my waterline. This is a perfect pencil shaped brush. You guys can definitely buy this one. Then there is JH40, a precise blending brush. If you want to apply any eyeshadow really precisely on the lid or on your crease, this is your brush. This is a good brush. Well, I don't know if I would get too much use out of this one. Then I have the all over lid brush. This one actually I use to apply the concealer. You will really get a lot of use out of this brush. If you're doing a halo or cut crease kind of look, this one would be your brush. This is a really good brush. Then I have the eyeliner smudge brush. This one actually I use to apply the concealer under my brows and to clean up those areas. So yeah, this is an okay brush too. You need a similar kind of brush in your toolkit if you're doing if you want to try lots of eye makeup. So yeah, you can definitely consider this one. And finally, the brow bone highlighter brush. This one is okay, it's self-explanatory. You can use this to apply highlighter on your brow bone. So yeah, that's the entire eye set. I would say this is a great value, especially since I bought this for 50% off. I'm really happy with the value of this because I actually can use I can use all of the brushes and they're pretty good quality. If you want to buy any eye brush set that has most of the brushes that you need and you're starting off, then you can consider this Jaclyn Hill Eye Master collection. Then you won't be needing a lot of more brushes to buy extra. Just buy the entire set and you got them all. And as far as the complexion master collection goes, well, you might need a few more brushes like a contour brush, a powder brush, at least I would need, and then a concealer brush and stuff like that. So I wouldn't say that you need to buy the entire set, but you definitely can buy it. But some of the brushes were really good, especially the highlighter brush. So yeah, that's my 2 cents regarding the entire set. It's a pretty good value considering the fact that I bought them all 50% off, and Morphe gives them on sale very frequently. So you don't need to buy them on full price, just buy them whenever there is a sale going on, and then it's a great value. So I hope you guys liked my review regarding the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush sets, and I also hope that you liked my makeup that I tried today. I hope you guys will try to create a similar look in your Eid if you liked it. Anyways, that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.